magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, ito, ang JBL Clip 4, i-unbox natin siya para malaman natin kung sulit nga ba siya or hindi. Kung worth it nga ba yung presyo niya at i-check natin yung sounds niya. This is the quick start guide of JBL Clip 4. So, sa next page, you'll see, ito yung what's in the box. So, there's included one Type-C cable. And you can use this one for charging the JBL Clip 4. In Bluetooth pairing, so it's easy only. At the side of JBL Clip 4, you can find the power button and the Bluetooth pair. So you need to press once only if you want to connect this one in your device or laptop, mobile phone. So press once only and you will hear that sound. And you can check your mobile phone to connect this one. It will show your JBL Clip 4. So it's very easy. And here, there's a play button and volume up and volume down. So if you want to forward the music, just press this one twice, or if you want to pause and play, press once. Okay? In charging naman, so in charging, ito siya Type-C. This is Type-C to USB. So, yun yung kasama niya dito. Ito yung kasama niya. Type-C to USB. So, kapag red na yung ilaw nito, when it turns to red, it means it's low battery. So, you need to charge it like almost 2 hours like that. But it depends on how you sabi dito, you can use this one for 10 hours. So, at least, based on my experience, I use this one for almost 7 hours like that.